Hi guys. Welcome to Science Info District. Let's see how military drones works. Military drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are aircraft that are controlled remotely or operate autonomously. Here are some key points to consider when discussing how military drones work. 1. Remote control. Many military drones are controlled remotely by a human operator. The operator uses a ground control station, GCS, to control the drone's movements and navigation, as well as to access the data and video captured by the drone sensors and cameras. 2. Autonomous control. Some military drones are capable of operating autonomously without the need for human intervention. These drones are programmed with a set of instructions and use sensors and navigation systems to complete their mission. 3. Flight control systems. Military drones use a flight control system to control their movement and navigation. This can include a combination of sensors, such as GPS and inertial measurement units, as well as control surfaces, such as flaps and rudders. 4. Communication systems. Military drones use a reliable communication system to send and receive data from the ground control station. This can include radio or satellite communications, as well as data link systems that allow for real-time video and other data to be transmitted from the drone to the ground station. 5. Power systems. Military drones use a power source to operate. This can include electric batteries, internal combustion engines, or even solar panels. The choice of power source can affect the drone's endurance, speed, and altitude capabilities. 6. Payloads. Military drones can be equipped with a wide range of payloads, such as cameras, sensors, and weapons. These payloads are integrated into the drone and are critical to the drone's mission capabilities. 7. Navigation. Military drones use a combination of sensors and navigation systems, such as GPS and inertial measurement units, to navigate and maintain their position. 8. Intelligence. Some military drones are equipped with AI technology that allows them to make decisions and to adapt to changing conditions in real time. Safety protocols. Military drones are equipped with safety protocols that allow them to operate safely and avoid collisions with other aircrafts, buildings, or other obstacles. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press bell icon for more interesting videos.